Everything about it is just amazing. Dancers are phenomenal. They're so good. It's mind-blowing.
I think it's absolutely brilliant. I love all the dancing and the costumes, the lighting, everything is really good.
It was dazzling.
It was very good. It was fantastic.
Really, really good.
Unforgettable.
Definitely recommend it to my friends, definitely.
It's really good, and you can try and copy ballet and stuff.
The music was amazing. The ballerinas were really good. As a whole, it was really good.
Because it was so spectacular, everything was so detailed.
I think Birmingham Royal Ballet are absolutely amazing.
I just think they're at the top of the game. Perfectionist.
You don't hear any words being spoken, but the way they move and they dance, you feel like you know what the story's about.
Never been before, didn't know what to expect, but it's definitely captivated me.
Diverse cast, and I was very happy to see cast members from different backgrounds in there.
Birmingham Royal Ballet is spectacular.
There's something for everyone in that. I really think it's really lovely.
Been to the theatre a few times. I think I prefer it to the theatre.
And you really have fun, and it's fantastic to come.
Definitely go. It can change you so much.
It exceeded my expectations. I didn't think I'd enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed it.
You're missing out if you haven't seen the ballet.